everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be discussing how to create your Janitor AI profile. So let's get right into it. Janitor AI is a versatile conversational AI platform that allows you to create custom AI profiles for specific tasks. You can use it for a variety of purposes, from creating for creative writing to technical tasks. But today we are focusing on setting up your own profile. So the simple way is first head over to Janitor AI website as seen over here. And there's two options over here, login and register. So you just need to sign up for an account. You'll need a valid email address and a password to get started. It's quick and the platform is free to try out with limited features. So once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here where you'll manage all your profiles. Now let's create a Janitor AI profile. Click on Create Profile button and you will be asked to input some basic details like the profile name, brief description, its purpose, and how you want to handle it, and everything. Now, once the basics are set up, you'll need to train your AI profile. This is where you provide additional data like examples, conversations, FAQs, or preferred responses. You can upload your document anytime if you wanted to. So after setting it up, test your profile, type a few example queries, and see how it responds. If something's off, head back to the settings to tweak it a little bit for personality, tone, and knowledge base. The more you refine it, the better it gets. And as you can see over here, there is one note that this site is not for minors, so you have to be more than 18 years old to register this website legally. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in making your Janitor AI profile. Thank you so much for watching.